Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Today I am solving PSAT or NMSQT, that means Preliminary SAT or National Merit Scholarship Qualifying Test recent past year paper solution. If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav himself reply to your query in WhatsApp. Okay. So in PSAT examination, we need to first know the approach of how to solve this question in tricky way. So if you want to take classes from our side, so this is the best time to take admission in Dr. Saurav's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav sir. So let's start with question number 3. What will be the in question number 3? A graph will be shown here, and this is a function related question. Okay, so the figure above shows the graph of fx for which values of x does fx equals 0. Okay, so when using the function notation, fx is simply another way of saying y equals to fx. That means, okay, so this question is asking you to find the values of x which y equals to 0. Fx equals to 0 means y also equals to 0 also. So in order to, other words, where graph crosses the x-axis, this is the graph, okay, and this line will be cross x, this point and this point. Graph crosses the x-axis because of this is the x-axis. Okay, this line will be x-axis, this horizontal line. Okay, so don't be tempted by the flat parts of the graph. They have a slope of 0, but flat part graph slope is 0, but the function itself does not equals to 0. Function itself does not equals to 0. So here it equals to -4. Okay, so this graph crosses x-axis at point, this point means -1 0, and this point means 1 0. Okay, so values of x in which fx equals to 0 are, what will be the values of x? Without 0 the values is, sorry, -1 and +1. So what will be the value of x? -1 and +1. So option B is the correct answer here. Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet you next session soon. Thank you.